Guys, so I conducted a small survey on my WhatsApp group, and the people who are on my WhatsApp group would know exactly what I'm talking about. I asked if people are back to their best. I asked if people are anywhere close to where they were in terms of their preparation for NEET PG. More than 85% people answered they are lost. They don't know what they're doing. At least 20% people told that they haven't even started after the NEET PG exam postponement news. This is very sad, guys. This is extremely horrific. I know the things you faced. I know the problem you're facing right now. But it's 8 to 10 months of your effort, and we can't let it go in vain at this moment. I know what you're facing is disastrous. What you faced, what the news came out just 6 to 8 hours before the time you had to leave for your centers. It was terrible. The NTA guys didn't do justice to your preparation. They didn't care about what situation you were in. This is very sad. But we have to deal with what is served to us. Our futures are at stake. We have to take control of the situation right now. We don't know when the exam will be. We are flooded with resources. Everybody is coming out with new things. So I've decided to do a personalized NEET PG mentorship program for a selected batch of 10 people. I'm not able to pay attention to all of those doubts that are coming in, and it is very difficult honestly to answer all of you. My WhatsApp is just flooded with doubts. So I'm doing a very small effort from my side. I'm conducting a NEET PG mentorship program till the NEET PG exam, where we'll be doing personalized goal tracking, short-term goal setting. We'll be doing personalized timetables with that, with for the group of 10 people. We'll be doing your GT mock test analysis. We'll be doing the one-on-one sessions in terms of strategic analysis and what you need to improve on, what sources you need to use at this moment, customized according to what you have done till now. So I'll be doing this small thing from my side, and if you want to register for the course, kindly DM me. All the very best, guys. I'll just try to provide justice to the trust you have put on me. I will try to put in my best efforts for everybody, but I want to do something more. So I'm coming out with this program, and we're gonna go ahead with it, and we're gonna rock it. All the very best, guys.